Generator is running fairly cool. So that's quite a bit of power coming out of there. That's actually like more than 60 watts. I'll have to figure that out. Whew, baby. Okay, I'm going to cut and go to the next video. So yeah, I wasn't happy with that last output, so I want to show you actually what this little thing will do as a generator. Actually have it putting out over 700 watts. So yeah, I'm just going to show you here at 4,000 RPM. Now, at this speed, you would have to use a gear reduction 3 to 1 or 4 to 1 on a belt or a pulley, similar to what see how I have a bigger pulley here down to a smaller pulley. That's why, this is only running at say 1800 and this is running at 4,000. So anyway, I'm just going to show you here. I'm going to start it up. So that's actually quite bright. That's a lot of volts. I'll let this adapt back down, but you can see I'm pulling 5.5 amps at 131 volts basically. At 4,000 RPM. So that's what you'll do. A little over 700 watts, so that's actually quite impressive out of this little guy. And I just wanted to show you that. Now in the next video we're going to do some battery demonstrations. Okay, this is test number 2 for our small, I guess 700 watt generator. Higher low voltage. We have it hooked to a 48 volt battery bank right now. And here's the meters for the DC volts. You can see they're sitting at 49.6, 0 DC amps, and that should be zeroed on that tack. So we're just going to run it at 48 volts and show you basically what you can get for 48 volts. Now we're going to get a maximum of about 6 amps out of this small guy. So at 49 or 48 volts, that's okay. I mean, you're going to get up probably around 68 is about the highest you're going to see your batteries. You don't want to see them go too much higher than that. So here we go. Anyway, I'm going to start it at I believe 30 hertz, which is 1500 RPM. So I mean, you can sit there and you can watch the battery voltage climb. They're going 53, 54, and that'll climb up over time. Now, if you really want to get into making some serious power with that, like that's 200 watts right there. If you want to get into making some serious power, then what you would do is take two 48 volt battery banks together and charge them in series, and then pull off them 48 volts for your inverter, or wire series for your inverter. So there's a number of different things that you can do. Like I say, you can go with the 48, which would give you 96 volts. So you can go 48 would give you 96 volts. You can charge at that voltage, still at 6 amps, so you can get quite a bit of power that way. And then you can put, like I say, a relay in between them that would drop out and drop in if you want to run them at 48. So we'll take it up a little faster here. We'll take it right up to, let's take it up to 50. Bear with me. Okay, so this is 50 hertz. Now that obviously is 2700 RPM. You see 6 amps coming out of there, and you see the batteries climbing quite quick. So they charge at quite a quick pace, right? So that's 300 watts there, basically. And again, that's about the most you're going to get in a 48 volt bank. If you want to get more out of it, then you're going to have to put them in series banks. Or another thing that you could do is you could run high voltage down from the tower or from your hydro on a small 3-wire cord. You could run 3-phase AC up, and then you could run it through a 3-phase transformer and drop that voltage to, let's say, 48 or 24 volts through a 3-phase transformer, and then get more amps out the other end. So, and then rectify it after that as well. So that's another possibility. So there's quite a few possibilities you can do with this little generator.